Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and security. Then let's tap on the privacy, and here scroll down to localize encryption and credentials, which are, as you can see, under the more security settings. So it's really hidden. Let's tap on it and then tap on encryption and credentials. At the bottom of the list we've got this clear credentials option, so just tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive right now, which means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.